Hi, this video is the 18 months, 1.5 year follow-up on a client that he was kind enough to did a month-to-month follow-up, and so it will educate the audience what the progress of hair transplant can be. And what I noticed that in a year and a half, he is actually slightly more dense than a year. And so this kind of show proof that hair transplant would take some time. Some people would take a full growth, take a year and a half. And this from a year to a year and a half, there's not a lot changes. I'm talking about a very subtle and slight. I'm talking about 5 to 10% different. But I can tell by looking at the photo and look at the looking at the angle of the light, and so that allowed me to be able to tell the difference. But I'm going to show the audience what he looked like before, and that was him. Let me see. So this is a 1.5 year follow-up, and we're going to do 2 years and 3 years. And since he lived close to me, he can drop by my clinic anytime anyway. So I wanted, but he's kind enough to help me to educate the audience what to expect a year and a half, 2 years, 3 years, and those stuff. So because the audience want to know even 5 years, what's it like, how much you're gonna lose some density and those stuff, and if you ever lose it anyway. So this is him before surgery, and this is him after surgery, and you see it's very great growth. And then that's a year. And then this is a year and a half, and I personally see a more dense, but it's very hard for the audience to tell. But there's a certain way when I look at photo, I can tell right away. And I'm seeing him in person too. But again, it's not just the density, but it's the artistry of the hairline that is the utmost important. Because when this client, when he walked down the street, there's no way people know that I recreate his hairline. He had a hair transplant. Why? Because it's so natural. This is not your father or your grandfather hair transplant. At those old days, you'd be happy just to have hair. But with him nowadays, at least with my work, I focus heavily on the artistry of the hairline, because you need both an artist and a surgeon. You want to have the most natural hairline that you walk down the street or you sit in front of people, you will feel confident that they will not know you have had surgery. And that's what I want to strive for. And that's what separates my work. The density is given, but the artistry is utmost important. Again, hair transplant, sometimes you can need more than one surgery to have perfect density, and depend on the personality too. Sometimes you're not going to get it with one surgery, but this client just with one surgery, there's no topic, no hair coverage, there's no filler, nothing. This is all his natural hair, and I'm extremely happy for him because his density is really good, actually. And considering that he has a very thin hair compared to my other video of the month-to-month like Chris, he had thicker hair than this. Can you turn to the right for me? Slowly. Perfect. Can you turn to the left for me? Slowly. Perfect. Can you go straight up? Okay, look slightly down. Perfect. Go ahead, look up for me. And this is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result 1 year post-op with before and after photo by Dr. Diep. And this is a 16-month follow-up. And then stay tuned. He gonna come back for 2 years and 3 years and 4 and 5, hopefully. Thank you.